Hi, my name is Lens, and today we're going to learn how to dance a basic step and progressive double two-step. First, we'll look at the history and structure of progressive double two-step. Then we'll get into a tutorial covering the footwork and frame for a basic step. So let's get started with some background information. Progressive double two-step, or progressive for short, is one of the most popular partner dances in the Dallas, Texas area. It's considered a regional dance, and J.J. Jackson is credited with its development. The dance is very similar to triple two-step, which is danced competitively on an international scale. It can also be thought of as a progressive version of the slot dance known as East Coast swing. The dance, as its name implies, is progressive in nature. This means that couples will travel in a counterclockwise direction around the dance floor. Progressive is a partner dance, and like other partner dances, one person will be designated as the lead and one person will be designated as the follow. If you want to follow traditional gender roles, typically the lead will be male and the follow will be female. However, many of your more advanced dancers are completely comfortable dancing either role. Now that we have the background information out of the way, let's look at some footwork. To begin a basic step in progressive, you'll stand with your feet in a V-shaped pattern facing counterclockwise down the line of dance. The leader will stand with the follow on their right-hand side, and the leader will start with their left foot free, and the follow will start with their right foot free. Progressive is danced on the balls of your feet in a smooth, sliding motion. Beginning with your right foot free, the basic footwork for a follow is side together side, back it up, walk, walk. Side together side, back it up, walk, walk. And from the side together side, back it up, walk, walk. Side together side, back it up, walk, walk. You'll notice that the follow is turning in towards their partner and then back away from them. To put the correct count on this motion, side together side is counted 1 and 2. Back it up is counted 3 and 4. The walk, walk is counted 5, 6. So what that ends up looking like is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. And again from the side, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Beginning with your left foot free, the basic footwork for a lead is left together left, right together right, walk, walk. Left together left, right together right, walk, walk. And from the side, left together left, right together right, walk, walk. Left together left, right together right, walk, walk. You will notice that the lead is moving forward down the line of dance. To put the correct count of this motion, left together left is counted 1 and 2, right together right is counted 3 and 4, and the walk, walk is counted 5, 6. So what this ends up looking like is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. And from the side, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Essential to any partner dance is what is known as frame. Frame is the way that the upper body is held in conjunction with your partner to allow the leader to physically communicate directions to their follow. To place yourself in frame for progressive, first the lead will place their right hand on the follow's left shoulder blade. The follow will respond by pressing their left shoulder blade into the leader's right hand. The follow will then place their arm on top of the leader's right arm and their left hand against the front of the leader's shoulder. The leader will then present their left hand with a thumb facing upwards. The follow will respond by resting the fingers of their right hand in the cup of the leader's extended left hand. Now to see how this looks when you put it all together. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Naturally, when you get out on the dance floor, you won't stop at just two basics. You'll continue around the dance floor in a counterclockwise direction. And that's how you dance a basic step in progressive double two-step. Remember that practice makes perfect, and I'll see you out on the dance floor.